Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like nothing. Well, we made her in. I gotta have the shovel. Made her in. Now we're gonna unload, start the fires up, and get all unpacked. And we're gonna head out for the night bite walleye. We'll cut back to on the snowmobile. Alright, welcome back to another video here. Hunt Hikes. We're out at Lake Gogebic, January 16th, going for some walleye. We're in Bergland Bay right now. Got 2 tip-ups out. My dad's running to get some minnows just in case, because we're going to be fishing tonight and tomorrow morning, and then go for perch midday tomorrow. But it's snowing out. You can probably hear it on the tent a little bit, but we're in about 14 feet of water, and just got some big sucker minnows, and I'm going to fire up the heater. So stay tuned, and I'll show you what we catch. We got a flag, but I can't get the door open. I just zipped it. There we go. Right there. Was on there. Now he's there. He's chewing on it. Got him whenever he is. Not very big. Little walleye. Little walleye, like 13, 14 inches, gonna toss him back. Grabbed it.
Did he? Minnow?
Got him! Nice. On the minnow. Hey!
Oh, that's a little bigger.
It's almost a keeper. He's probably 14. Say 14 and a half. Let's see, get that out there. Yeah. 13 like 3/4. 13 3/4, we're gonna let him go. Last time. Big sucker. What the hell? He's tiny. Well, a little one. The other one was like twice that size.
Oh,
Got him. You go, Darby. Perch.
Nice. Decent perch.
Little perch. Nice. Hopefully my mic still works. I dropped her right on there.
9-incher.
Alright. Alrighty. We just caught this little. Get him unhooked. It's been a little lull. I've been having my minnow down there. Little tiny perch. We need one like 3 times that size. There he goes. Nope. He's trying. There he goes. Bang! Oh, that's a nice one.
There he is.
That's a nice one.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Ooh!
Ah, that's gonna be close.
He ain't not there. Legit. There he is. Probably another, I'd say 14 incher. I just got a minnow and no sinker, so hopefully some bigger ones bite. We're gonna let this guy go. He's not 15.
14 and a half.
There it goes. Alrighty, it's getting to prime time. We just clicked the lights on. They're supposed to be clipped in a little better. We just got them jammed up in the poles, but my dad just caught 2 little small walleye, probably 8 inches, but we haven't had a flag for a little bit, so I'm gonna probably have to go check the minnows, but hopefully they start biting. We need one, at least like 2 or 3 keepers, so there's one on me right now, but nope, that's my minnow. Never mind. Alright, I'll cut back to my fish on that one. Alright, legit just came out here. I had to run back, get my camera, because I just checked to see if there's bait on here, and the one grabbed it. Might have dropped her. Oh, he's there. He's there. Come on. Oops. Got him. Got him. Not a keeper. A lot of no keepers this year. There's a little snow on them, but another 12, 13 incher. Can throw them back. Got about probably, I don't know, maybe an hour or so until it's like pitch black out. Then we'll fish a little longer than collar, but catching some, just nothing really that big. All right, the same flag keeps going up. It's probably that same stupid fish down there, but this is a big sucker. It's probably a 4-inch sucker, which is giant. See what we got here. Yeah, probably nothing. Ooh, he's on there. Will I get him this time? I will not. God dang it. I can't catch that fish to save my life. And it's the only tip up that keeps going up, so hopefully I start biting the shack. Oh, look at that. She's spinning, just went up. Oh damn. This might be a pike. Feels like a walleye. No way he dropped it. You gotta be shitting me. I'm not even cutting this clip. Just got that flag, missed him, and now this one went back up. It's spinning. Let's see if I can catch it. Probably not. My hands are getting cold out here. Ooh, that feels like a big bite. I'm gonna set the hook on him this time. Ooh, that's a keeper. Right there, hell yeah. Bigger ones are starting to bite. There he is right there. I'll cut back to him in the shack. Oh, he's 16.
16?
16 and a half. Do we want to keep him? Yeah. I just came back in and my rods are... Holy crap.
Swallowed it? Where you got a hook in him?
I just came back in and there was one on my thing, got to be wrapped around my other pole. There we go. Little guy going back. There we go. Keep going. Well, we got another flag. They're starting to pop. 2 flags, Dad. Come on. I'm gonna grab this one and I'll set the camera to where my dad, you can see that one. This one back here is up. This one's up. So I'm gonna set it like this so you can see both of them. Nothing here. Why? Got him? Damn, pull that thing right over his mouth. Got weeds too, I think. Where's the big one?
Oh, yeah, I know.
He's close. I'm gonna grab tape.
Chunky.
Tommy.
Swallowed it.
Swallow it?
Yeah.
Just take the whole thing in, I'll move tip-ups. We're gonna take that one and get a measure on him. And I'm gonna move tip-ups. Well, we'll cut back to when I first went and grabbed that one. There was actually a fish on here. Oh! We got a keeper. There we go. Keepers are starting to bite. I'm gonna go put a tape on him quick. I had to cut that line because he swallowed it. So if he isn't a keeper, I'm gonna let him go for his best chance of survival. We got a 17-incher. We're gonna dispatch of him, and I gotta go reset the tip up because I had to bite off. So I think I'm just gonna pull the other one and move it to that hole. But the big ones are biting. Get a fish fry. All right. Hopefully my mic's good. So far we got roughly 17er right here, 17-incher, and then we got, it's a little bit messy here, we've been scrambling. There's 3 right here, belly's right here, the other one. All keepers, so it's good. We got 3 keepers so far, and probably gonna be fishing for, there's one on me right now. Probably gonna be fishing for another, probably I'd say 30 minutes or so, but the big ones started biting with like last like 15 minutes of actual light. Like we got the lights on in the shack right now, so should be good. Hit her back in the morning too, so stay tuned. Should be more flags popping. Well, that is going to end it for today's video. I don't know if you can hear me right now. It's windy, snowmobiles are going, we're packing up right now. It's cold out, but we caught, this is the second night I'm doing the outro right now, but we caught some good walleyes yesterday, a couple keepers, and biggest one was like 17 1/4. Hope you enjoy. If you stay this long, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. More Gogebic ice fishing to come, and see ya. Peace.